Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig, George Pig, and Grandma Pig in the chicken coop. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw George Pig, draw his eyes, his nose, and the shape of his head. And now I draw his body, his arms, his legs. Now I draw his tail too. Now let's draw 3 chickens next to him. Draw the shape of the body, the eye, the beak, and the rest. We are going to repeat it 2 more times. Draw the shape of his body, his eye, his beak, and the rest. Now let's draw Grandma Pig behind them. I draw her eyes and eyelashes, then her nose and the shape of her head. I draw her mouth and a circle for her cheek. She wears a nice hat. I draw her body and her arms. In her hand, she holds a basket. It's full of eggs. Wow, they just collected the eggs from the chicken coop. Her legs. Last but not least, let's draw Peppa Pig. I draw her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. Now I draw her mouth and a circle for her cheek. I draw her ears. I draw her body and her arms. And finally, her 2 legs. I draw her tail. She is standing at the top of a ladder. The ladder belongs to the chicken coop. I draw a simple house for the chicken coop. I draw the roof, a window. Now I draw the door. Now we are going to decorate it like this. And finally, a rooster on the top of the roof. I draw the shape of its body, its eye, its beak, and the rest. And a fence around them. How cute! Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To start, I'm going to color Peppa Pig. I use this pink marker for her skin. For her mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. Then I use light purple for her cheek. I color her dress with this red marker. Now I use rainbow colors for the chicken coop. I start with the color red here, like this. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple, pink, and fuchsia. I color the rooster red, yellow, and brown, gray. For the rest of the chickens, I use red. Then I use orange, cream, cream. Black and brown. Now we are going to color Grandma Pig. I used pink for her skin. Light purple for her cheek. I used this cream color for the rest of her hat. I used fuchsia for the stripe on her hat. I also colored the dress fuchsia. I color her basket yellow. I leave her eggs white. Now let's color little George. For George Pig's skin, I'm going to use the same pink marker. Finally, I used this blue marker for his outfit. Finally, I colored the floor green. And add some light blue in the background. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.